-86 ultra low temperature freezer installation. When we receive it, we should remove on the top. You have a lock. We need to remove the screws, the totally 8 screws, and remove this plate, and we can throw it away. After that, we can open the door. You will see some protectors for here. Remove it and open the doors. You can see the accessory inside. There are 3 levels of layers and protectors for backside distance. Frost remover and the keys, and also user manuals, test reports, and packing list. After we unpack the accessories, we can check accessory bits on the check-in list if there is any part missing. After remove the protector parts, we can install the racks as different positions. If each rack they have the position to put it correctly with the support, and the inside, here will be the corner will be less a little bit in the corner. After insert it will be like this. And then we can close the door, unlock it, and close the door, the out door. This key is for the lock. After you lock it, you cannot open. After you open it, you can open again. For this part, we have two pieces, and we can install here. And on the back side, remove the 2 screws, and we install this holder. It's just in case we push the freezer to the backside too much. We need to give space for the freezer backside for ventilations. And then we can install the power supply. And power on from backside. In front screen, we shows the guide of installation. Choose English. It choose going to the back to the home positions, and we check our settings. Setting temperature -80. The power supplies conditions stated here. It's 226. It's okay, good. And from here we can check the curve for the temperature. Okay, this all is for the installation for the ultra low temperature freezer. Thank you for your watching.